What up, Jerk Squad? We're out here. We're about to cook this calico bass today, and I'm going to show you guys my secret recipe that I use. Right, Herm?
Yes, sir.
Big worm Herm.
Huge.
Calico bass. And we just caught this yesterday, so we're going to cook this thing fresh. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is score the fish so that way all of the marinade can get inside of it. And whenever I score these, I score it about 5 to 7 times. So you want to score all the way down the fish, just to open up the meat and let all the marinade get in there. And we're going to come to the other side and do the same thing. And this also makes taking the meat off of the fish whenever you eat it, it makes that part easier because you can kind of just take the fork and take out chunks of it. All right, there we go. Perfectly scored fish, ready to cook. All right, guys, this is the marinade part. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is get, like, I don't know, half a cup of oil or so. And you're going to want to put it in your bowl. Now we're going to put in oregano, salt.
You can't see this.
Pepper. Then we got onion powder, garlic powder, red pepper flakes for heat because we like it spicy. And the last ingredient is going to be paprika. Now you put all those in the bowl like so, and then you want to just mix it all up. You want to get the oil, incorporate everything together, get it all mixed, and this right here is going to be the marinade for the fish. Ooh, look at that, guys. Look at that marinade. That is gorgeous. All right, over here are some of the ingredients that we're going to cook with the fish and stuff inside of the fish. We got fresh cut garlic, we got limes, and we got red bell peppers. What you doing up there, big worm Herm?
Enjoying this cheese, baby.
Herm's on the grill right now, enjoying this little cheese tray that we made, dude. You guys look at this. We don't always eat, but when we do it right. We got olives, grapes, oh my God. If you're out here cooking fish and having a good time, you need some grapes. Oh yeah, we can't forget the beers too. Cheers, big worm Herm.
Cheers to the fish, baby.
All right, let's cook. All right, Jerk Squad, now that we got the marinade done and the stuff cut up, we're gonna get Herman to show us what's going on here.
All right, so what we're gonna do first with this marinade that the Perch jerker made, it looks beautiful, by the way.
Thank you, sir, thank you, I appreciate it.
Smells wonderful.
Wow.
All right, so we're just gonna kind of spoon this up, and then we're gonna wanna put it inside, you know, get that meat inside all nice and marinated there.
Oh yeah, we'll work from the inside out, man.
Yep, and then just fill her up. You're gonna do that couple spoonfuls just to get it nice and lathered in there.
I love it.
Cooking in all that meat.
Oh yeah.
Then we're just gonna kind of start pouring on the outside. Try to get it into all them scores we got. Then we'll start working it back in.
Ooh yeah.
Looks delicious. All right, just kind of work it in there a little bit, you know.
Oh yeah.
Might need a little bit more here. The hotter the heat, you know, the better the blood.
Hotter the heat, the better the blood.
Just lather her up.
All right,
there
man.
we go. All right, and then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna flip it and do the exact same thing. So just get that side.
And you can probably go ahead and dump the rest of the marinade in on this one, huh?
You know what? Might as well.
Oh man, look at that juiciness. And you want to make sure you get it all in the scores and everything too. So.
Oh yeah, just work all that nice in there.
Oh yeah, and this will all cook through and season the meat. Oh my God, it's so amazing, you guys. This is the best marinade you can ever use for fish, personally.
All right then, so what we're gonna do next is we got this chopped up garlic, about a little sliver here. We're gonna just stuff it right in there. Just get that stuff all nice and in there.
Damn, he's stuffing the fish.
Then we're gonna put a little bit of limes in there as well.
Stuffing limes in the fish. Put the lime in the coconut, mix it all around.
There we go. That is beautiful right there.
I'd have to agree.
And then we'll probably just throw a couple limes around it as it cooks.
Okay, okay.
Then we're gonna leave a couple of them so we can squeeze on as they're cooking.
I love
and then
it.
You know what? We're just gonna throw a little bit of red bell peppers in there.
Get that
add
veggie
a little
action.
Sweetness. You know what? Might as well shove a couple in there. Might as well.
That's what I always say.
You know? There we go.
I love it.
It is looking absolutely beautiful.
I'd have to agree with you, Herm. Yeah, throw some garlics on top.
Those in there.
There we go. All right, let's see this finished product, and we're cooking this in a cast iron skillet. So, ooh, look at this. That is gorgeous. We got a stuffed fresh calico bass from the sea caught yesterday. All right, let's get this thing on the grill. All right guys, we got the fish ready to go. We got the brewski rolling, and I'm going to put all of the burners on my grill on low, and I'm going to heat it to about, I think about 300 degrees Fahrenheit, because this grill runs a lot hotter than normal grills. So we're gonna heat it up to about 300, and then we're gonna stick the pan on and start roasting this bad boy. All right guys, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. I'm so happy you guys get to experience it with me. And if you like this recipe, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, because I'm gonna be cooking fish all the time. Also, go down in the comments and let me know what kind of fish you want me to catch, clean, cook next, so I can get a different fish that you guys wanna see, and I'll show you my recipe for it. I have tons of recipes, so make sure you guys like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into cooking this. And if you want to, you can make this recipe in your oven and put the oven to about 350 degrees, and I'm gonna cook this for like 25 to 30 minutes just to make sure it's cooked through thoroughly, and to make sure that it's got, you know, some little bit of crispiness on it, and oh, it's gonna be so good. So 25 to 30 minutes on this cook. Damn, here comes big squirm worm now. All right, the grill is at about 300 to 350 degrees, the perfect cooking temperature for these fish. What do we got going on here, Big Worm?
Right, basically that whole concoction we did a little bit earlier, we're gonna put it on the grill, but we let it soak in for about 15-20 minutes just to really get that fish meat really marinated. So
okay, I feel it.
Open her up. She's on 300. I think the perch jerker kind of explained why on 300. But we're gonna just throw it on that grill.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Yep,
looks beautiful, nice and hot.
There we go.
Gonna close it up.
Bam. Now we're gonna let this sit in here for about 25 to 30 minutes, right, Big Worm Herm?
Absolutely.
Let's go, baby. All right. Cheers, brother. Let's get these fish in, baby. All right, Jerk Squad. We threw some big wieners on there because me and Herm love big wieners. All right, Big Worm Herm, show us what we're about to do here. Once you're about halfway cooking, we're gonna do what?
We're just gonna baste it a little bit, you know, all that nice stuff at the bottom.
Okay.
Just start pouring over top.
Oh,
it's the
man.
Gordon Ramsay cooking way, you know.
Oh yeah, turkey basting. Oh, that smells so good, man. Look at that. That smells amazing. It's like we're in hibachi Japan right now out here. Ooh yeah, get that tail too nice and juiced up. Oh man, that looks amazing. But yeah, once you're about halfway through cooking, guys, and towards the end, you're gonna wanna baste your fish, man. Baste your meat, keep all that flavor rolling through. All right, Jerk Squad, the fish is complete. So we are going to pull this bad boy off the grill, and we're gonna set it right here, and we're about to eat this thing. Ooh, look at this meat. Oh shoot, camera's fogging up. All right, look at this meat over here. Oh, that meat inside of there is so white and fluffy looking. Ooh, God, this smells amazing. I'm telling you guys, you have to try this recipe. This looks so good. All right, you guys, let's look at the inside of this fish right here. All right, let's pull this meat apart a little bit. Ooh, look at that inside of there. Oh my God, this meat looks so fluffy. Oh man, look at it steaming. This smells incredible. All right, Jerk Squad, it's time for Herman to be the first person to have he's gonna have the taste of the Jerk Master privilege. The first person on my channel, guys. You could be next. All right, now let's get in here, Herm.
Let's dive in.
All right, I'm gonna get some skin on there, dude. Oh my gosh.
It just comes apart. That is beautifully cooked. Cheers.
All right, hold up. Let's get a shot of these fishes in the camera right there. Ooh, look at this meat. It's so white and juicy. It's got the flavoring on it. All right, here we go, Herm. Cheers, brother. Jerk Master privilege. All right, let's do it.
Oh my God. Very good.
Wow, dude. Wow.
So tender. The seasoning's such a great flavor. It is seriously so good.
Oh my gosh, guys. This is incredible. And there's not bones or anything. This meat just falls right off the bone, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is incredible. Let's go, baby. That is what's up, dude. Yeah. All right, dude. And if you guys want, You can pull all the meat off this fish, and you can put it into fish tacos and do whatever you want. You can explore, but this recipe, I'm telling you, you have to try it. It is so good.
Wow.
And look at this, the meat just falls off the bone, steaming. This is so good, dude. Here we go. Jerkmaster privilege, baby. This is it. Oh, this is so good.
Yeah, I literally can't stop eating.
I know, I just want to finish this whole fish right now, dude. All right, you guys, I want to show you what happens when you pull this fish bone out. You grab it by the tail, and if you cook this thing right, dude, you guys can literally pull out the entire fish bone just like so, and then you're literally just left with all this meat sitting there, and we are about to pound this stuff, you guys. All right, Jerk Squad, this is incredibly good. You have to try this, all right? My dude Big Worm Herm flies home tomorrow, so bid him goodwill in the comments. Say that you love Big Worm Herm, because everyone loves Big Worm Herm. Right, Herm?
Absolutely.
All right, if you guys want to support the Jerk Squad, I'm going to leave some information for my Venmo and PayPal in the bottom so I can, you know, do more catch clean cooks, go out on charter videos, buy more fishing gear that I can use for fishing. If you guys want to support, please support the Jerk Squad. It's much appreciated. All right, brother. Oh, this was so good, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Yes, it was. Absolutely. It was an absolute privilege to be out here with the Perch Jerker himself, meeting the Jerk Squad. You guys are awesome. Keep liking and subscribing. Hopefully, I'll be back next time. Maybe we can make this an annual thing. Me and the Perch Jerker, Big Worm, going out on the sea, trying to get you guys some good content. All right. It was an absolute privilege, like I said.
Jerkmaster
privilege.
It's the Jerkmaster privilege.
And the Big Worm is out.